Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Are you ready for a new release from Raquel Welch? This is called On the Cover. It is RL19 SS, which of course is Shaded Biscuit. This wig was provided to me by Hair You Wear to review for you today. It is available right now for order at wigstudio1.com. There will be a link in the drop down box below this video, so just be sure to expand the drop down box and there will be a link there where you can order this new style. And also, if you need to get in touch with Wig Studio One for any reason, please feel free to reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com, or you can live chat with them anytime during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. Okay, let's look at On the Cover. These are true to life heat-friendly fibers. What a cute wig. I feel like we haven't had a lot of Pixies lately. I really haven't seen that many new ones, so I was super excited when Raquel Welch came out with this new one. Very tight fitting to the neck, which, you know, I really like and appreciate on these short wigs, that they have it to where it fits really snug to the neck, so you can move your head around any way and you don't get lifting off the neck. And this is a little longer, so if you have hair that grows down on your neck a little bit, this might work for you. Now let's talk about permatease. There's no permatease in the top of this. It's a mono top, a lace front and a mono top, but there is a lot of fiber on this wig, which in my opinion is true to form for most Raquel Welch wigs, right? There's a lot of fiber on those, and that's not an exception here. There is a lot of fiber on this wig. This is not a low density style. So this color, Shaded Biscuit, I've shown it to you so many times. It is available, I believe On the Cover is available in over 40 shades. So there is indeed something for everyone. Light ash blonde blended with cool platinum blonde, and it's all on this darker root. I will insert some video, outdoor video, so you can get a good look at this color. I want you to see it around the face. It's highlighted around the face. There is my bio hair, there and there. Let me zoom in on this lace front for you. Okay, just so you can get a look at the lace front, really nicely done. It runs all the way down. It's an extended lace front. I'm going to show you the cap in a minute, but I wanted you to get a look at how well done that is, and with the highlighting as well. Let's just quickly go over the specs. The bang of this is 4 inches. It's a 4-inch bang. The sides are 2.25. The back is 3.5. And it has that 2.25 inch nape. So we were talking about that nape. 2 1/4 inch on the nape. It weighs, I think, a little over 2 ounces. Really easy to work with. Throw on and go out of the box. Let me show you the cap. Like I said, this has a mono top, so you can part it anywhere within this mono top. An extended lace front all the way down. Now this is the Memory Cap 3. Closed ear tabs with stays. Extended felt nape, and of course Velcro adjusters. They just do nice caps on these Raquel Welch wigs, don't they? Now, like I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you can add some more curl. There is a tad, there's a hint of curl I find in this wig, just a hint. Just as you can see maybe through here. I mean, not a lot, but when I put it on, I thought, okay, this has a little curl in it. And I think you can just see, maybe I should say more of a wave, a little wave. Just in this top part here. Nice job, I like that. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's style it a little. I'm just going to sweep it all over to the side. Again, like I said, there's no permatease in the top. And that mono top runs, let me make sure I have it really straight, from to right here. I feel the smallest amount around that monotop, maybe. Not a lot, there's not a lot of permatease here, it's just a lot of fiber. So that gives you this volume. You can really get some volume going there, but not big hair because there is no permatease on the top of this. Again, you could part it on either side that you wanted, which is always a good option because not everybody parts their hair on the left. So it's nice to have that option. You have to work with a little bit, probably put some water on here and style it over to the other side if that's something you want to do down the middle. I'm just going to run mine over to the side just to show you. I like that. I think sometimes I like just to brush it all over to the side, and then I have the option to wear this one all the way off my face because it has that lace front as well. So even though we have short hair, you still can have options of how to wear it. Now I'm going to put it on, of course, with a little headband, and this is short on the side, so super easy to tuck behind your ear, no problem there. Or you can wear this going forward. Let me make sure I show you that because I tend to tuck everything behind my ears, and I know that you want to see it down as well. So you can wear this either way. And with this lace front, you can pull it all the way off if you want. Has really nice coverage on this style, I thought. Sorry, I have hair all over me, girls, with this black shirt. So, here we go. That is really adorable. With a fun headband like this, it'd be nice during the holidays. You can pin it up. I like to twist the front of mine. You've seen me do it so many times. Just take a little piece and twist the very front of that and put one of these really small clips in it, and that's always just a fun little look as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that look at this new style from Raquel Welch. You know, this reminds me of like Ellen Villa Relax, Alon, Aesthetica Jet. Those all remind me of this wig. It's that same kind of vibe, the same length. I think those are all, if you're familiar with those wigs, you probably can get a feel of what this one's like, but that's what this really reminds me of. Especially when I pulled it all to one side, I thought this really reminds me of Jet, but it's also like Relax as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. This is really fun for me to make. Again, go to the drop down box for ordering information, and reach out to Wig Studio One if you have any questions concerning colors or anything they can help you with. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.